Hello, my name is Danny Baird. I'm with NASA's Space Communications and Navigation Program Office, or SCaN. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about internship opportunities with SCaN. But first, I want to give you a little background about our networks and all the work we do to enable NASA's mission. NASA is an agency with thousands of missions, and many of those missions need to get data home from space. That's where SCaN comes in. We provide the communications solutions that allow missions to transmit their data back to scientists on Earth. We also develop innovative new technologies that push communications and navigation forward. Since the earliest days of spaceflight, communications and navigation innovation have been integral to NASA's success. From the Apollo missions of the 1960s and 70s to the space shuttle era and to Artemis today, all missions, exploration and scientific, require communications. And that's what we provide. Today, NASA provides communication services through two major networks: NASA's Near Space Network, seen here in green and bigger because that's where I work, at Goddard Space Flight Center. We serve missions from the launch pad to 2 million kilometers away through a combination of commercial and government-owned contractor-operated space communications infrastructure worldwide. There's also the Deep Space Network, which is managed by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. And they have 3 ground stations worldwide at Canberra in Australia, at Madrid in Spain, and in California at the Goldstone Complex. And those 3 ground stations can provide communication services to deep space missions, so ones at Mars, the outer planets, or even in interstellar space with Voyager 1 and 2. In addition to providing missions with space communications and navigation services, SCaN also develops innovative new technologies that push NASA forward into the future. Some of these innovations include optical communications, which uses infrared lasers to transmit data at higher rates than comparable radio systems; positioning, navigation, and timing policy, which is allowing NASA to use GPS signals further and further into space; and also search and rescue technology development, which we provide both to the International Satellite-Aided Search and Rescue Program and use for our human spaceflight missions. To get started talking about internships, I'd like to show you some of the 2021 interns at Goddard Space Flight Center, talking about their impact to NASA.
We are the SCaN Internship Project.
We are a generation of visionaries.
We are a generation of doers.
We are a generation of inventors.
We are the Artemis generation.
With the guidance of NASA experts,
I made a difference this summer.
My project makes advanced
Technologies a reality.
My project enhances satellite telecommunications.
My project impacted the American people.
I am a SCaN intern.
I am a SCaN intern.
I am a SCaN intern.
I'm the future of NASA.
SCaN internships pair you with mentors that provide you with real-world experience in the areas of space communications and navigation. These internships cover a wide variety of disciplines, including traditional STEM careers, business, outreach, design. There's a whole world of internships at SCaN that people can apply to. To highlight the specifics of some of the innovative work being done by SCaN interns for NASA as a whole, here's a video from NASA's Glenn Research Center in Cleveland, showcasing 2021 intern projects.
We're part of something important.
It's really cool.
I'm really excited about that.
Expand my experiences.
My ultimate goal is to work at NASA someday.
A lot of the stuff that I'm learning here is going to be directly transferable.
The big picture perspective here is this is the only good way to really answer this.
Go to Mars because we can.
So actually, I have a collaborator. One of my collaborators is here visiting me.
My name is Shilpa Kancharla.
Hello, my name is Adrian Whitehurst.
My name is Zara Mehmet.
Hi, I'm Trevor Fush.
Hi, my name is Michael Moy.
My name is Kaya Jones.
Hi, my name is Jason Mantle.
My name is Lauren Scott.
My name is Katie Schaefer.
My name is Gabriel Bainbridge.
My name is Joseph Shepard.
Hello, my name is Farrell Rushton.
My name is Connor Stevens.
My name is Chuck Faber.
My name is Brendan Mallory.
My name is Catherine Wagner.
And I'm a GRC SIP intern.
And I'm a GRC intern.
And I'm a GRC intern.
And I'm a GRC intern.
And I am a GRC intern.
I'm a GRC intern.
And I'm a GRC intern.
If you have any questions about the SCaN Internship Project, please feel free to reach out to one of our coordinators at Goddard Space Flight Center, NASA headquarters, and NASA's Glenn Research Center. If you want to learn more about NASA's space communications mission, be sure to check out our podcast, The Invisible Network. You might just hear a familiar voice. And with that, I'm happy to take any questions you might have.